Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys my top 5 hardware wallets for 2025. So I've done tons of videos on this. If you guys want to find out specifically which wallet is best for you, we're going to answer that in this video, but I've also done even more in-depth videos. So take a look on the channel, type in hardware wallets or crypto wallets. That should come up for you. So also comment down below, what is your favorite crypto hardware wallet? So without further ado, let's dive into it. Let's get loose here. So right now we are February 8th of 2025, and there are tons of different options. Ultimately, you guys know that a hardware wallet is a form of cold storage. So instead of holding your crypto on an online exchange like Coinbase or Binance, what you can do is basically set up your own wallet, have your own seed phrase, and you add another layer of protection as well. So you truly own your crypto to sign transactions. So what are the best ones? And there are tons of them. And again, if you guys want, what you can do is head over to Linktree. I've got links to all this and more. Specifically, if you want to buy crypto, I got crypto.com, Coinbase. But then again, for storing, we have videos and links for that. So even on the channel, if you guys put in, for example, Tangem or Trezor unboxing or setup, I got videos on the channel for that. So the first one, we're going to talk about the Tangem wallet. And the reason I have these links, obviously you guys can use code Moose. You guys can save 10% off. But this right here is my favorite hardware wallet. It's a Tangem wallet, and it's really cool. It's the exact same size as any of your credit or debit cards. So here I've got a crypto.com card, a metal one, and this is a Tangem wallet. So for 50 bucks, you can buy a 2-card set. So here, if you do use code Moose, yeah, it's 49 bucks. So you get a 2-card set, and you can use this with your cell phone. So to give you an idea, all you're going to do is go to the Tangem app, and you're just going to scan. So you can hear that, and then you're going to put in your PIN, and you're going to put in your password, and I have videos on this. So you can hear that, and now we're into our account. So I really like this option if you are someone that wants to protect your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. I know we talk about those major layer ones. This is a good option, 50 bucks. If you're someone that is not using a desktop, like I do things with the desktop. So, you know, typically I'm going to do things like yield farming. I'm going to do some staking. You could do that with this wallet, but basically this is the best all around simple entry point. So you have that option. Along with that, for number 1, we also have the Tangem ring. So this is a ring that I'm probably going to be wearing quite a bit on this channel. So this one fits my hand quite well, and it's the exact same thing. So you open up the app and then you tap your phone, and with NFC, you can get into your account. So in the case also that you ever lose your wallet, you can always buy another one, import your seed phrase, and to help you out, I do have videos on that specifically. So here, go to the channel, type in Tangem. It's probably one of my most recent videos. But here I got an unboxing, and I also have setup videos. So how to set up a wallet, and I have new ones. So here, how to order a Tangem ring, how to find your ring size. So if you guys do need that, sending crypto to your Tangem, I have that covered for you. How to set up your wallet with the seed phrase. So this works with both Tangem wallet and ring. So guys, I got you covered. I got staking, and I have other unboxing videos. So check out the channel. I've got you covered on that end. So that's going to be number 1. We're going to have to go with the Tangem wallet. Best value, and it's my number 1 used wallet now. Okay. Now let's get into number 2. This is going to be the Trezor Model T in the Trezor Safe 5. So these are incredible hardware wallets, but the difference here is that with these wallets, you're going to want to own a laptop or desktop, okay? So here, if you guys go to here, Trezor hardware wallet, we'll see if there are any sales. There may be Valentine's Day sales or something. Let's see. So no current sales, but maybe something will come up in the future. So the Trezor Safe 5, this one's a little more expensive at around 170. But if we do take a look here, I do have one with me. This is a Trezor Model T. So this one is going to be a little bit cheaper. So Trezor Model T 130 now. I love this wallet. By far my most used hardware wallet with a laptop or desktop. So that's the Trezor Model T in the Trezor Safe 5. So the Trezor Safe 5 is a little bit newer. It has haptic feedback and I guess a little more security as well. So this is a wallet that I manage for somebody else. And I'm a big fan of these. So these are good. They plug in via USB-C. But the main difference here is that Trezor, I believe Trezor's been around a little bit longer. And I believe they do support more. So if you do want to connect this wallet to MetaMask easily and to Nami, Lace, a lot of things have changed. But the Trezor Model T, if you're looking for a hardware wallet and you're more advanced and you have a laptop, desktop, it's probably going to be your best bet out of all these. So that's going to be number 2 on the list. A little more intricate. You have to be a little more intermediate advanced, but nonetheless, I think any of you guys can figure it out. Okay. So it's going to be number 2. Not even close. That's the way I would structure it. Number 3, we're going to go with the Ledger Flex. So this one I actually gave away because I have like, I don't know, what do I have? 15 hardware wallets just in this room. I got a different hardware wallet in every city and state around the country with some XRP and different stable coins on them. I'm just kidding. But guys, number 3, we have to go with the Ledger Flex. This one is more expensive, but if you can afford it, I like this one a lot. So I did unbox this one. If you guys go here, type in Ledger on the channel. I did an unboxing video. So Ledger, how to set up, and then Ledger unboxing. So there's a short and there's also a full setup guide. Guys, this video is 19 minutes long. Please watch this. I put a lot of time and effort. Some videos just take way longer because I have to edit them. But I like this wallet. Now this one, 350 CAD, so it's probably around 280, maybe 275 USD. This wallet is beautiful. I mentioned in the video, this is the most beautiful wallet I have ever used. It feels premium. I like the e-ink display, and it does work with your phone. So if you're looking for the high-end wallet, that's awesome. You guys can check this one out. So I do, of course, have an affiliate link. When sales come on, you guys should get access to that. So definitely check it out. I will provide links if there are any sales. Then you'll get access to that. But this thing is really nice. It's very slick. And again, other than the price tag, this thing is like the go. And again, maybe a little more complex. The Tangem wallet's best for simplicity, and you could argue, like Da Vinci, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. That's what you want. But this one's fantastic. Just honestly, it's sexy. Like we're talking Margot Robbie, Wolf of Wall Street type of ordeal here. It's something to look at for a few minutes. So we got that. Next one is going to be the OneKey, and I do have the OneKey with me. So this is going to be for number 4, and I do have a link for this as well. All the hardware wallets that I do like, I keep here in the link tree. That's in the comments down below. Yeah, so you can check that out. Man, I like these crypto tags as well. But anyways, let's dive into it. So this is going to be the OneKey Classic 1S, and I do have one right here. This one works with your cell phone. So if you're someone that is kind of nerdy in crypto like I am, like the Moose, I'm just going to turn it on. So it's powered on. And with the app, this works via Bluetooth. And I like it. So here, OneKey Classic 1S Moose. And I like this. It's plastic, but it's small. I don't know. It really brings out the nerd in me. It's kind of like when I used to play around with my RC cars, or, you know, you feel like you're building something that's just, I don't know, that there's something very techy and geeky about this. So if you're nerdy about crypto like I am, guys, this is a fantastic option. So I would view this wallet like, how would I view this? I would view this wallet as something like a Tangem, but maybe you want to hold some Bitcoin and have something techy that you can throw in your tech bag. So I'm a big fan of this wallet. I really do like it a lot. Is it better than any of the other wallets? I don't know, but I do like it. It's cute. It's got USB-C. I think I mentioned that in the unboxing. And again, guys, I have an unboxing video. I may have a setup video for this as well. Let me see here. Yeah, so how to set up the OneKey Classic 1S. So I do have a video on that. So this one has like 1,000 views. Guys, like, I've got you covered. I also have the unboxing, so if you want to get more of another real-world experience, I believe I've unboxed at least 10 hardware wallets at this point. Companies send them to me. But out of all these are the ones that, you know, I actually have crypto on and I like. So the OneKey Classic 1S, if you like it, it's just a fantastic wallet, okay? Okay, number 5. So this is going to be my... Number 5. So this is going to be the Ledger Nano. Is it S Plus? Yes, the S Plus. So the Ledger Nano S Plus, and I like this thing. This is USB-C. It's small in size, and it's a lot better than the original. So with the original, you had it wasn't USB-C, it was the other USB adapter, and you could only have like 3 apps at a time. This one has more storage. If you want to get into like Cosmos Atom staking, this is great with the Ledger Live app. This is going to be your budget Ledger option, okay? So I'm just a big fan of this. I like the see-through one. Again, I've done a setup video. I've done it like in online courses as well. So guys, head over to Ledger. And what's the price on this guy? So it's cheaper. If you like the Ledger Flex, this is similar. But this only works with the laptop. So if you want to get something with Bluetooth, you need the Nano X. This is the S Plus, but they do have a lot of cool colors. So here you got some green. That one looks awesome. Valentine's type colors, etc. But I would go with the Nano X if you can afford it. And if you like that option, one of my buddies has one, and it's fantastic because you can sign transactions and easily have it accessible on the go. So keep in mind, guys, all these options are fantastic in my eyes. You know, invest at your own risk. But at the end of the day, I'm going to have to go with Tangem and Trezor. Those are my most recommended brands. So guys, comment down below. What is your number one brand? You guys know what to do. You can also check out the link tree and get links to any of these wallets and take an online course. This is going to help support the channel, keep these things going. I'm going to be updating this every year. When new wallets come out, when new things happen, some wallets are going to get phased out, and I'm going to bring in new ones, which I've already done. So the LEPAL Titan Mini, I just don't use it anymore. I would not recommend that wallet. But all these wallets I like, I love, and comment your top 5. See you in the next one, everybody.